How to log out of Twitter app in 2023. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Unlike other social media platforms, TikTok does not have the logout button right in front itself. So in order to log out of Twitter application, follow these steps. Open the Twitter application on your device. On the top left corner of your screen, you will see the option for your profile icon. Tap on that and now tap on Settings and Support. You will see the option for Settings and Privacy. Tap on that and then tap on the very first Your Account option and now tap on Account Information. Here you will finally see the logout button. Tap on that and then in the pop-up that appears, tap on logout again, and with this you will be successfully logged out of Twitter. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.